Welcome back to Bharat 108. We are Jenny and Adam, an Italian couple who left busy London for a crazy mission. Traveled for over 10,000 kilometers across India aboard an auto rickshaw. In the last episode, we discover Munroe's tea plantation and chocolate factories. We deep dive into the magic world of Ayurveda, and we got fascinated by an ancient martial art. In this episode, we're reaching back to Varkala. We finally get our newly modified auto rickshaw and we experience canoeing in Munroe Island. Bharat 108.
Make everything possible.
After a lovely week spent between Aleppi's Backwaters and Munroe's tea plantation, we caught a train with some difficulties, heading back to Varkala to get our brand newly modified auto rickshaw, or at least that was what we thought.
From Aleppi, we just jumped on a train to Varkala, and unfortunately we couldn't manage to book a seat. So with the general ticket, we just jumped on the carriage and they said, go to the front, but the front is locked. So we are stuck in the middle here.
Just next to the toilet.
Very funny smells coming.
With a very big excitement for the imminent collection of our auto rickshaw, we rented a scooter to go to Mr. Things' shop to check on the alteration progresses.
So guys, the patchwork is almost done to our baby. Look at this proper solid stainless steel, all welded up nicely. Obviously no seats are gonna be replaced. Here is the old gas tank. We're gonna get again the fan there. We're gonna get our flag on top there. And let me show you at the back. So here we're gonna have a door that's gonna open like this. Everything is looking good. So he promised me on Saturday he's gonna get everything done. So 3 days from now. Very happy. Okay guys, see you later.
As you can see, we are still in Varkala.
Still in Varkala, another delay on the delivery of our tuk-tuk once again. So basically they told us Saturday and now it's probably tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock he said. So fingers crossed. But in the meantime, I'm receiving pictures on Instagram from people that go to the workshop and then obviously follows our journey from the link on a tuk-tuk. So I'm getting like updates on the progresses of the works done on the tuk-tuk from other people. But I'm trying to actually call the owner of the shop and he never replies and that kind of like pissed me off a little bit. But what can I say? Fingers crossed.
The next morning.
After more than 12 days, I'm finally on the way to get our tuk-tuk. Hopefully it's gonna be ready. So basically, yesterday I've been told 100% that at 12 o'clock I was gonna get my tuk-tuk. It's already 1 o'clock. I've been here already for an hour and nothing is ready, but it's looking very, very good. Very, very good. Come with me, I'll show you. So here we are. This is the back side. Look at this. Look at what a nice finish with the glass. And here we got the proper door to open like this. And we just miss a proper bumper underneath there and a small entrance to check for the oil. So we still haven't got any seats, but the upholstery inside has been done. Look at this, guys, very, very pretty finished. And so the seats are gonna be here. They already up there. I don't know if you can see them. We just need to fit them. Here is gonna be some shutters for the rain. Front seat still missing, but we got it. Here is gonna be a nice place where to put all our stuff. This one is gonna be the top cover up there. And yeah, I have to say he's doing a very, very good job at a slow pace, but very, very good job. Happy. So this is how it looks like from the front. we got it lifted up a little bit. This one was flush with the screen, and now we gained about, I don't know, like 10 inches. No, maybe less. I don't know.
Tomorrow for sure.
So is this a good day? So, like it's almost ready. Well, they told me it was ready, and as soon as I jumped in, I was like crouching like that because the seat was too straight, and I'm a big boy, so I couldn't fit in properly. So they're doing the last alteration, hopefully, fingers crossed, and we're probably ready to go today. Yay!
5 hours later.
It's getting quite late and we need to hit the road again as we are already 1 week behind schedule. So we started packing with the supervision of some new friends.
Get the chair, chair.
Chair. 1 minute.
But be careful, eh?
Fix it. This hook is not good.
Yeah, I know.
It is of plastic. So you take that on iron hook.
Iron hook, yeah.
Remove this one because what happens? See, if that more pressure comes, it bends like this. So you remove this one and take one hook that you will get in a hardware shop.
Yeah, okay.
Steel hook is there.
Yeah, still hook.
Yeah. Just put that one so it will stuck properly.
Can you actually believe, Adam, that we are going?
Finally. We are about 3-4 days out of schedule, but
Well,
it's alright.
this is what it is.
Welcome to India. Someone told me this is not Japan. He was right.
And we are finally on the road again, hoping to reach Munroe Island before dark.
The next morning.
Good morning. We woke up at 5:30. Now it's 5 to 6.
And we're ready to explore the backwaters with the canoe.
Yeah. Well, I mean, ready. I'm not sure we're ready. Well, let's go. Morning. Hello. Are you coming with us for the canoe? Canoe, yeah, okay. My husband is coming. 5 minutes, thank you.
कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे कुछ बादल कुछ बारिशें कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome back to our channel.
From Munroe Island.
Guys, we didn't expect this at all. When we arrived last night, it was all dark because we left Varkala quite late. We hit some traffic. Well, not a big news about Indian traffic. So we arrived here around 7 p.m. So we couldn't appreciate where we were. And
Actually, she was very scared yesterday.
Yes.
Where we going? Where we going? It's all dark. Should I get the pepper spray out?
yes. But yeah, we arrived all good. Good and safe. And so when we arrived at the hotel last night, the owner started asking us, do you want to go on a trip on the backwaters tomorrow morning and see the sunrise? And we were a bit tired of the journey, so we said, we don't know. Then we discussed and we said, let's do it. Let's do it. Why not? I had a good feeling about that. And this morning we did it.
It was actually very, very good. And it was just on a canoe with an operator that just with the long Pick was pushing the canoe because the water is very shallow. So there was no noise of engines whatsoever. Very relaxing, good to wake up slowly. To be fair, I'm still asleep. So Jenny, continue, please.
Yes, he struggles a bit. The experience was very, very nice, relaxing, as Adam said, very peaceful. We found some tourists, other probably 3 or 4 canoes. That's it.
In 2 hours.
That's it. So very, very nice.
Plenty of wildlife, plenty birds. It was very beautiful.
Very beautiful. And then we stay at this hotel, which is amazing. We didn't pay much at all. Stunning.
Link in the description for this hotel.
So, what's the plan now? You know that yesterday, finally, we collected our auto. We've been able to hit the road finally after 2 weeks stuck. It was time to leave. We did around 50 kilometers, no more, because the collection was pretty late. And we need to eat something before leaving because we were starving. Okay, so long story short, we needed to hit the road, get to Marari Beach by today. It's around 150 kilometers-ish. There are a lot of roadworks at the moment.
So 4 to 5 hours in our lovely brand new auto rickshaw. Oh yeah, let's go.
We are leaving!
So he got all that for 300 rupees, 3 euros, 2 kilos.
pa pa ma pa pa ma pa pa ma pa ni do pa ma ga re sa